Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Tina here, or Cam. So today I want to try a day in my life vlog. I have a lot of activities planned for today, or rather things I have to do today, so I hope that they're going to interest you guys. So this is me waking up in the morning looking all ratchet. I couldn't find my bonnet, so I am tying my hair with the headscarf because you know we have to protect our edges. Vlogs are so awkward. I'm going to clean my room first because I have somebody who is coming to do our hair. Then I'm going to take care of the personal hygiene things because I don't want to inconvenience other people. So I think that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to take up my personal hygiene, clean up a little bit, and then prepare my things for swimming. Can you believe after all these years I have not even learned how to swim? I don't know what happened, but I don't know how to swim. So a friend of mine is coming over to Boya to help me, or to be my swimming coach. I don't know, but I hope it works out well for both of us because I do not know. Anyways, I'm going to do random things which I will include in the clip. I don't know if it's going to interest you, but make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so that every time I upload content you get notified. And see you in the next clip. Missing someone. So this is my fit for today. I'm wearing leggings. And just an oversized thing because I need some air. So Cindy is back and I want to go because it's my old ring thing. Let it be straight. Waste the whole nail. Come and hold it. Missing someone. Missing someone. This is a quick video to just tell all the carpenters out there that I appreciate you, I support you, do you boo, because this was difficult. Woo. Anyways, I have to change now and Cindy is going to do the rest of the work. So I have to change now and prep for my swimming lessons. Cindy is going to do the rest. And you did it right from the start.
missing someone. Is as normal, missing someone.
So this is what I'm finally wearing. I'm wearing this jumpsuit and whatever, this kimono-esque thing. Then I'm wearing some leather slippers, aka sandals. And this is an easy way to do it. My nails are not done, so just ignore them. And I am popping. Bye bye. So it's past 2 a.m. It's almost 3, and I came to the pool place and they said it's locked, no pool today. So I'm outside waiting for my friend and then figure something out. It's just been a mess. Yeah, but you say you knew them, you know them. Because I was about to say just call him my ex. Anyways, let me conclude my vlog. I was in a video for my channel today. A day in a life, and that turned out a mess. Everybody is a vlogger. If you're a YouTuber, you're a vlogger because you're doing like video diaries or video. Okay, so this is the second place I've come to today. Stop this. Don't look at me. You're distracting me. No. Okay, somebody interrupted that video, but I am at the second venue and it's still full. I guess Saturday is a bad day to decide to swim. So I'm hungry. Probably look for food and go home. Too bad you guys not see me struggle to swim because I'm really terrible. But anyways, if something comes up which is interesting, I'm going to show you guys or what. But nothing, just going to sit down here and I don't know. Hi, it's evening and I'm back to the house, and I'm just going to put my phone on charge and try to sort out some things so that I edit and maybe fix my old wig this evening. So here I am, it's the night already and I'm just really tired. So usually what I do in the night is I just do a recap of my whole day to check my assignments if I have any, to mark my to-do list to see what I've accomplished for the day, and watch a movie or edit videos. But right now I'm just going to write everything I did today, sort out my affairs with my wig making I do, and then I'm going to just watch a movie and edit this video later. So that was it for today. I totally picked the wrong day to try and vlog, and also this was kind of a fun experience, so I'm going to try vlogging more in the future, and I hope you enjoyed spending time with me today. Don't forget to check out my other videos, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time.